Okay, guys, we are on lesson 5, page 469, polygons in the coordinate plane. Now, in the previous lesson, guys, what we did how to find the area of the polygons, regular polygons. And we said that regular polygons means polygons with the same size lengths and same angles measures. And we said to find the area of, for example, pentagon, we split this pentagon into triangles, for example. And because we have 5 sides here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, this is hexagon, sorry. Because we have 6 sides means we have 6 triangles. To find the whole area of the polygon, we say A equal 6 because we have 6 triangles, multiply half, multiply PH, and VH, half PH, is the area of one triangle of them. Then we multiply by 6 because we have 6 congruent triangles. This is what we did in the previous lesson, and I think we did the homework, we did everything. Now today, we will take polygons, but where? In the coordinate plane. What is the coordinate plane? It is the XY axis, if you remember. X-axis, Y-axis, points, X and Y, like this, ordered pairs, remember? This is what we call it, coordinate plane. But now in the coordinate plane, guys, in the coordinate plane, if we have points like this, look here, guys, and focus, please. Focus, please. Focus here. Where you are looking, Yabni. Focus here, guys. If we have these 2 points, for example, here point and here point, I'll call this point A and I'll call this point B. A has coordinate plane as, for example, 1 and 9. B has ordered pair, for example, 8 and 9. Okay. Now, if I want to find the distance between these 2 points, look here, guys. If I want to find the distance between these this length, how I'll find this length, guys? I will take a look to the coordinates which I have. I have repeated number, which is 9. When I have repeated number, cross it. I don't want it. Subtract the different numbers. 8 minus 1 is 7. So the length of this line segment is how much? 7. 7. So to find the length in the coordinate plane with similar coordinates, I cross the similar coordinates and I subtract the difference. Means the length between point A to point B is 7 units. 7 units. Tamam? This is the idea. Now, today we will find 2 things. We will find 2 things. We will find the perimeter and the area. But we will start with the perimeter. What is the perimeter, guys? The perimeter is the total. Total means the addition, the sum of, the total of the sides lengths of a polygon. For example, if I have this rectangle here, for example, this rectangle, okay, with length, let's say 10 meter and width 4 meters. And I want to find the perimeter of it. P. P means perimeter, big P. The perimeter, we said, it is the total of the sides lengths of the polygon. The sides lengths, I have 4 sides. This one is 10, this one is 4. This one is equal to this one, rectangle. If this 10, then this is 10. If this 4, then this is 4. To add them, I will say 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4 equal 28 meters. So to find the perimeter, add the sides lengths of the polygon. Now, let's go to the book now to see how we'll deal with these exercise or ideas in our book. Go to your book, guys, page 470, please. 470, and take a look here in this graph. بسرعة. Now, all of you guys, take a look here to understand what we are talking about. We want to find the perimeter of this rectangle in front of you, ABCD. ABCD, okay? Now, I need to find the length of each side, right? The length of each side. Now, let's start with the length down between D and C. Between D and C. What's the point of D and C? I will graph this on the board, guys. I will graph this on the board. Who can help me? عصام, يلا يا عصام.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes, I am with you.
Yeah. I will graph this on the board, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Look here, guys, example. We have this coordinate plane here, and we have point A, B, C, and D, right?
Yeah.
Right. Look here, Yabni.
Okay.
What's the coordinate of D?
D 1 1 2.
1 2. 1 and 2. What's the coordinate of C?
7 and 2.
7 and 2. B
7 and 5.
7 and 5. A
1 and 5.
1 and 5. Okay. This is the rectangle which is in front of you guys. Now to find its perimeter, I need to find the length of all of these sides, right?
Yes.
Now let's start from the side down here. We have D to C. Yeah. Now we said to find the length between repeated coordinate. Repeated means we have the same number, 2 2. See?
We will cross them.
Now, if we have similar numbers, guys, in the lengths here, in the points, we cross the 2 with the 2. It's still 7 and 1. What's the distance between 7 and 1?
We will subtract
them. 7 minus 1, how much?
6.
6. So here, guys, all of you go to your book and write 6 and put a circle. Means the length of DC is what? 6. Now let's find this one between B and C, between these 2 points here. We cross the 7 with the 7, done. 5 minus 2, how much?
3.
3. So this length is a 3. In the rectangle, this equal to this, but let's be sure. Here we have 1 5 7 5. We cross the 5s, right?
Yeah.
7 minus 1, how much?
6.
And here we cross the 1 with the 1. 5 minus 2, how much?
3.
Now we know all the sides lengths. Are we ready to find the perimeter?
Yes.
Yeah.
6 plus 3 equal 9 plus 6 equal 9.
We add them, Yabni, then we find the sum.
Yes.
9 plus 9, it is 18. What?
18 perimeter units.
Units. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Now, after this example, I will go to example 1, page 471. Example 1, هذا learn. هذا learn, page what?
470.
470. This is the learn, page 470. I will go to example 1, page 471. Who can help me with this example, guys? Example 1. عمرو, يلا يا عمرو. عمرو.
Yes, mister.
احكي يا ابني وخلصني يلا ريد.
Find the perimeter of the exhibit shown on the coordinate plane.
This one. I will figure. I will graph it on the board and you will help me. Okay, يا ابني?
Okay.
Yeah. I will graph it on the board, guys. I will try to as much as I can. So this is the coordinate plane which we have, and the park here we have, or the garden, whatever. We have something like from here to here, right?
Yeah.
Then
from
no,
this line,
just focus with me. I go like this, then go down, then go like
Yeah.
this, then go down here like this, right?
yeah.
We have something like this, okay?
Yeah.
Good. Now I want from you to tell me the points on each vertex. Guys, these points here, we call them, each one, we call it vertex. Vertex.
Okay.
But the plural of them, the vertex is the singular word of the point. The plural of them is what? Vertices. Vertices, not vertexes. There is no X in the plural, okay? Vertices. Now, let's find the vertices coordinates together. They are written in your book. What's this point, ya Amr?
0 and 0.
0 and 0. What's this point here?
Here, 7 and 0.
7 and 0. Here.
Here, 7 and 3.
بسرعة يا ابني. Here.
11 and 3.
مالك. 11 and 3. Here.
11 and 7.
11 and 7. Here.
7 and 3.
اخلص.
No, here
7 and what?
10. 7 and 10. 7 and 10.
طيب مالك. Here.
0 and 10.
7.
No, 10. 0 and 10.
10. Good. This is the figure.
There's another one.
Where?
Here.
Here. Sorry. Here. What is it?
It's 7 and 7.
7 and 7. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Good. Now, this is the exhibit or the graph or the figure which we need to find its perimeter. Okay?
Yeah.
This one. Hello. Now, to find the perimeter, guys, we need to find the length of each side of the. Okay? Now, let's start down here. From 0, 0 to 7, 0. We cross the zeros.
Yeah.
7 minus 0. How much this side will be, Amr?
7.
It is 7, right?
Yeah.
But this one here, it is between these 2 points. What we cross?
We cross 7.
We cross the 7s. They are repeated. 3 minus 0. How much?
3 minus 0 is 3.
So this is a 3. But guys, but here 7, here 3 in your book. Now here, we have 7 is 3, 11 is 3. 3 are with the 3 gun. 11 minus 7, how much this one?
We will cross the 3. 11 minus 7 equals 4.
Equals 4. But this one here, how much?
11 and 3 and 11. We cross the 11. 7 equals 4.
It's 4. Here,
7. We cross the 7. Equals 4. 11 minus 7
equals 4. Here, 7 with 7 gone. 10 minus 7, how much?
3. No, 4.
And here, 0, 10, 7, 10.
10
The
equals
10s
0.
are gone. 7 minus 0, how much?
7.
But the last one, don't forget it. This one,
Cross
0
the
with 0 gone. 10 minus 0, how much?
10. 10.
10. So we know all of the size lengths, guys. All of them. Now we are ready to find what?
The perimeter.
Yeah, we add all of these numbers around. 7
4 plus 7. 4
plus 3 plus 4
plus
plus 4 plus 4
4 plus
plus 3 plus 7
plus 10.
plus 10. And we add 10, 22,
14
32, 42.
43
42 ايش؟
units.
unit. So the perimeter of this figure is 42 units. This is example 1, page 471. Now, down after this page, guys, you have page 472, guys. You have check. Take a look on it. Take a look on it. Check. Page 472.
Sir, your camera is closed.
I know. Yeah, let's do the check, guys. Page 472 now. The check. Rakan.
Yeah, mister.
يلا يا ركان, read.
Find the perimeter of the outline section of the park shown on the coordinate plane.
Good. We have this park, guys, here, and I will graph it on the board, and we have the vertices. We have the coordinated plane. So let's graph it on the board first, and just you will fill the numbers in your book. Now, we have this coordinated plane here. Okay, and we have this figure. Something like this, okay? معايا ركان؟
Yeah.
ركان.
Yeah, mister.
يلا يا ركان. خلينا نكتب البوينتس يا ركان. Here,
Zero
what's the
and
point
zero.
here? Here,
Zero
0
and
and 0. Here,
0.
huh?
16 and 0.
16.
And 0.
Good. Here,
16 and 9.
16 and 9. Here,
11 and 9.
11 and 9. Here,
11 and 12.
11 and 12. Here,
4 and 12.
4 and 12. And here,
4 and 9.
4 and 9. Here,
0 and 9.
0 and 9. Good. We put the points now. They are already in your book. This figure already graphed in your book. What we want to do, we want to find the perimeter of all of this park here. Okay? صح
Yeah.
يا ركان? Now,
Yeah,
tell me يا
yeah.
ركان. To find the perimeter, we need to find what?
The length and the width.
نعم. What?
Length and width.
أي length width يا ابني? Is this rectangle? To find the perimeter, يا حبيب, you need to find the length of each of the sides, okay? Of all of the
Okay.
sides, get it? Not
Okay,
length
the
and
length.
width. Yeah, let's start from this one here. What we will do to find its length?
We will cross the 2 zeros.
And
16 plus 0 equals 16.
plus,
Minus 0, 16 minus 0 equals 16.
ركان ركز. 16 minus 0 is
16. Okay.
يلا. So this length is 16. Now this length here, what we will do?
We will cross the two 16 and 9
So-
minus 0 equal 9.
ممتاز. Here, what we have?
We will cross the two 9. Mister?
Wait يا ابني, wait a minute. Give me a second.
Okay.
Is my voice clear?
Yeah.
Give me a second. يلا يا ركان. Here.
Yeah. We will cross the 9 and 16
16 minus 11. 5, right?
Yeah, 5.
Here.
We will cross the 11 and the 12 minus 9 equal 9. 3.
Here.
We will cross the 12. 11 minus 4 equal 7.
Here.
We will cross the 4 and it will be 12 minus 9 equal 3.
Here.
We will cross the 9 and 4 minus 0 equal 4.
ممتاز. The last one here.
9.
It is 9. Now we found all of the sides lengths, right, يا ركان?
Yeah,
We are ready to find what?
the perimeter.
The perimeter. يلا. We started from here. 16 plus 9 plus
Plus
5
Plus
plus
7.
3
3.
plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9. Right, يا ركان?
Yeah,
And we add 25, 30, 40, 47, 56. 56 what?
unit.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
This is the check, guys, page 472. Please
Mister, this lesson
put the
only
numbers and copy. What?
this lesson only this idea.
No, we will find the area also. The next idea.
Okay.
Why you think it's easy?
Yeah,
Why you think it's easy? Can you tell me?
because you are smart.
أيوة. Because you have a smart teacher. ممتاز. بلش تفهم علي أنت. It's easy because you are smart. طيب. Copy, guys. Copy, please. Any questions about this idea, guys? Any questions? If you don't have any questions, remove your hands, guys. If you have, keep it. Najam.
Yes, mister. I want to answer. Example 2.
Okay.
Okay. I will.
What?
Nothing.
Yeah. Finish, guys. This check. Let's go to example 2. Example 2, page 472. Example 2, page 472. Okay, Najim. Najim, read the question. Hello? حبيب راح الأخ. حاطط ميوت صح؟ لا ما في، خلاص راحت عليك. طيب يلا read.
Okay.
Yeah.
A rectangle has a vertex A equal to bracket
لحظة شوي، ارجع. This word vertices. Vertices means the points, the heads of the polygon. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. What are the vertices? A, 2 and 8, continue.
2 and 8, B bracket 7 and 8, C bracket 7 and 5, and D bracket 2 and 2, 5.
Now you have the coordinate plane here, right?
Yes. Yes, Mr. I am with you.
انت معاي ولا مش معاي؟ طيب, you have the coordinate plane in front of you, right?
Yes.
طيب, is the rectangle graphed in your coordinate plane here?
Yes. It is
in your book, is it graphed?
Yes, it is graphed.
Good. So the first step, guys, we need to graph the points here. How?
We will draw the...
معايا نجم?
Yes, I am with you, Mr.
نجم.
Yes, I am with you.
What's the point A? How much the point A?
2 and 8.
Point A?
2 and 8.
يا زلمة يلا احكي. Point A in the question.
2.8.
2 and 8. So point A, 8 from the Y, right? So 2 and
yes.
8. We put here A, 2 and 8. صح يا نجم? Do you understand?
Yes, yes, Mr. Yes, I understand.
يلا point B. What's point?
7 and 8.
7. Here 7. Go up until 8, right? This is point B. 7 and 8. Good. What's point C?
C 7 and 5.
7 and 5. This is the 5 here. So 7 to 5, right?
Yes.
7 and 5. Now point D. It is 2 and 5, right?
2 and 5. Yes, correct.
Good. Now after we plot the points, guys, we make our polygon.
Rectangle.
Which is rectangle here, right?
Yes.
Now, to find the perimeter, Najim, what we need to find here, to find the perimeter, what we need to do?
We must cross.
We must find the length of each side, right?
Yes. Yes.
How we find the length of each side? Let's start with this one here.
We will cross 5 and 5.
5 and 5 across. 7 minus 2, how much?
5.
5. So put 5 here with a circle. Here. يلا.
Here we will cross 7 by 7.
8 minus 5
3.
is 3. This one here up.
Here we will cross 8 by 8.
Then
Equals 6.
بالله جد. 8 with 8 gun is still 7
Yes.
minus what?
2 by 7. 2 minus 7.
7 minus 2 يا ابني. 7 minus 2. How much?
Yes. 5. 5.
Here. يلا here.
Here we will cross 2 by 2. 3.
8 minus 5 is 3. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now let's find the perimeter. What is it? What we write?
We will write 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5.
يا زلمة ما فيش 6 ما فيش 6 هون بالمرة. Equal 8 plus 8 16 what?
16 units.
16 units. This is example 2, guys. Now after example 2 you have check. See the check? Take a look to the check, guys. I will hide the answer. I want a student to read with me. ظافر. Where are you, ظافر? خليك حاطط ايدك. ظافر. Hello. ظافر. وين راح؟ طيب.
Yes, mister.
ظافر you hear me يا ابني يلا ما تحكي طيب.
Okay.
يلا read the check. See the check?
A
يبني.
rectangle has
يلا.
vertex A 1 4 and 4, B 1 and 9, C 8 and 9, wait,
And D
and D 8 and 4. Find the
perimeter.
perimeter of the rectangle. Use
The coordinate plane. صح?
coordinate plane. Yes.
Now this is the coordinate plane, guys. What you will do, you will graph the points first here. You will graph the points on the coordinate plane, okay, here. Then you will do as we did me and Najm. You will graph the points, you will make the lines, you will find your rectangle, then you will find the lengths. After you will find the lengths, what you will find? The perimeter. Do you know how, ya Dhafar?
Yes.
Good boy. So guys, because my time is finished by now, so do this check as in your book as exercise for today, okay? And tomorrow, inshallah, we will check it together and solve it together, and we will finish the lesson together. So what you will do, guys, you will do the check as exercise for you to practice, and tomorrow, inshallah, we'll finish this lesson, okay? Thank you so much. I will send these exercises to your inbox after a while. And please, guys, study and revise. Goodbye.
Okay. Bye.